Every engineering shop floor has its own limitations. This usually boils down to 1, the existing machine tools available, and 2, the existing labour available. In the next 3 minutes, we'll show you how you can get even more from both with an XYZ 2-op portable VMC, particularly on the manpower side of things, because man hours on average cost 6 times more than machine hours. To improve productivity when producing higher volumes, companies will often group machines together into dedicated work cells, and that makes perfect sense. But for the everyday subcontractor, lifting and moving all your machine tools around to suit the job just isn't an option. In the real world, when the job comes in, it has to go through different operations on different machines, usually a combination of milling and turning. This means 2 men at 2 machines, often doing no more than standing by idly watching a spindle turning, not to mention the boredom. This was the case at PTG in Plymouth, on a job requiring 150 valve components, which came in as castings and required a number of milling and drilling operations, followed by a final threading operation. So, as normal, the job goes on to one of PTG's main VMCs, in this case operated by Danny. This takes Danny a total of 9 hours before being able to pass the job on to the turning centre, operated by Dan at the other end of the factory, for the final threading operation. This takes a total of 21 man-hours to complete the job, which equates to a total of 8.4 labour minutes per component. Now let's do the same job using the XYZ 2-op. Because the XYZ 2-op has been designed to be easily moved even into the tightest of spaces, PTG can quickly and easily create a dedicated work cell for Dan at his turning centre. And as the XYZ 2-op is fitted with a Prototrack control, famous for their ease of use, the first machining cycle is underway in no time. The XYZ 2-op has an 8-station tool changer, is available with an indexer, and can mill across 355 by 305 by 431 millimeters, which is this big. On this component, all of the first operation milling and drilling is completed in less time than it takes to do the threading, so it's free time. Now Dan can load the first milled component into his turning centre for the final threading, and that's it, job done. So Dan, with an XYZ 2-op, does the same job in 12 hours. That's 3.4 labour minutes per component less than doing it with Danny on his VMC. But, and this is the important bit, not only did Dan do it without needing a massive £50,000 plus VMC, but he did it all on his own. That brings the tack time down from 21 hours to 12 hours. And because labour costs 6 times more than machines, the profit on each component is now almost double. And that's just the start of it. To learn more about how the XYZ 2-op can improve production across an entire shop floor, please visit the website.